Hello and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In this video, I have brought three very important questions based on syllogism, which we'll be solving using Venn diagrams. So let's have a look at the first question now. In the first question, there are three statements given. Statement 1 says, some wins are trophies. Statement 2 says, some trophies are cups. And the statement 3 says, no cup is a prize. So we can depict this with the help of a Venn diagram here. Some wins are trophies. So if the first circle here represents wins and the second one represents trophies, so the common area says that some wins are trophies. Then the second statement says some trophies are cups. So if I draw another circle here which represents cups, so this shaded part represents those trophies which can be said to be cups. The third statement says no cup is a prize. So that means we have to draw another circle which stands for prize, and since no cup is a prize, so there is no connection between these two. Now based on this Venn diagram, we have to pick up the correct conclusion. The first conclusion says no trophy is a prize. So if we look at this trophy and this prize, so this conclusion is false because no trophy is a prize. It may or may not be possible because if I pick up a different color for prize and I draw a prize here, it can be possible that the prize is present over here. In this case, some of the trophies may be a prize. So this possibility is ruled out. The second conclusion says no prize is a win. So the second possibility is also ruled out because the prize can be a win according to the information given, and that is why we choose option E as the answer. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 is true. So that will be our correct answer for this question, that is question number 1. Let us now have a look at the second question. This question says the first statement is some flats are apartments. So if this represents flats and this represents apartments, so some flats are apartments. So this is flats and this here stands for apartments. So the common area, that is the shaded part, represents those flats which can be considered to be apartments. Then no apartment is a hall. So we have another circle here which represents hall. Some halls are rooms. So this represents rooms. And the common area here again represents those halls which are rooms. So this will be the Venn diagram for this question. The conclusions given to us are at least some rooms are flats. So here rooms and flats, they have no link between them, so this possibility is ruled out. Then no apartment is a room. Apartment can be rooms because if we inverse this figure, we can bring rooms on this side. In that case, apartment can be a room. So this possibility is also ruled out. So that means again we go with option E as the correct answer, that is neither conclusion 1 nor 2 is true. The third question says all dogs are rats. So let this be the first circle which represents dogs. Since all dogs are rats, the outer circle, this represents rats. All rats are crows. So we have to draw another circle here. Since all the rats, they are crows. So the outer circle here represents crows. And the third statement says all crows are parrots. That means we'll be drawing one more circle here. And since all the crows are parrots, So the outermost circle will represent parrots. The conclusions given to us are, the first conclusion says all dogs are parrots. So if these are dogs, are these parrots? Yes, they can be. All the dogs are parrots. So this statement stands correct here. The second statement says all parrots are dogs. So all the parrots, can they be dogs? No, all the parrots cannot be dogs, but some parrots are dogs. This is true because some dogs are parrots and obviously some parrots are dogs. The third statement says some crows are dogs. So if you look at this, some of the crows, again, dogs are present inside the circle for crows. So some dogs are crows. This is also true, or some crows are dogs. The last one says all rats are dogs. So all rats are not dogs. Some rats may be dogs because the circle for dogs is inside the circle for rats. So that means the fourth possibility is ruled out. So statement 1, 2 and 3, or conclusion 1, 2 and 3 can follow here. So we go with B, that is 1, 2 and 3 follow, which is the correct answer for this one. So I hope these are all previous year questions and you found them useful. In case you did, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel if not done yet. Thanks for joining me.